occasion, painting and sketching is a lot of fun. In this video, I'm showing you what I typically carry with me when I go out sketching. Though I'm sketching our garage in our backyard here, I'm using my normal kit. I have a foldable piece of chloroplast to which I can attach my sketchbook and the palette I'm using. This is the pocket palette from Exploratory Art. I have a collapsible cup that holds water, a little travel cup, and some paper towel, some scratch paper attached to it. You see the magnets there on the board. I can attach other palettes that I have that are metal and they won't slide off. I'm using clips, binder clips. Those are all important. I carry a little bag that has an assortment of pencils, and mostly mechanical pencils, and brushes. This is a Da Vinci travel brush. I have a couple others, as well as other pens and other scratch paper that I can use. So it's really quite fun. And here you see the finished sketch of the garage. It's been turned into an entertainment room, and the final sketch. Thank you.